Suppose we were asked to find the limit as n goes to infinity of n plus 2 factorial over n squared plus n factorial. How would we deal with this type of limit? Because factorials are going to be really important in the future, so I would make sure you know how to deal with this problem. Well, I would remember that what is a factorial? Remember, like 5 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. So similarly, up top, we've got n plus 2 factorial, which is 1 times 2 times 3 times times n plus 1 times n plus 2. Well, that first part, if you ignore n plus 1 and n plus 2, that is just n factorial. So the top is the same as n factorial times n plus 1 times n plus 2, right? This is over n squared n factorial. Well, perfect. We have some cancellation here. So we don't even need to deal with this n factorial or this n factorial. So this whole thing is just the limit as n approaches infinity of n plus 1, n plus 2 over n squared. Well, I could FOIL this out, or I could see that my highest order here is just going to be n squared. So you have an n squared plus some lower order terms that I don't care about, divided by n squared, which we know limits of polynomials make this answer just equal to 1. Pretty easy, right? And it all came from knowing how the factorial works. So make sure you know how to use those factorials.